Hi, it's Lord, and welcome to a sneak review. It's time to get sneaky. This is the third drink in the Sneak Energy series. And you know what? I didn't even know what it was called until I've just looked at it. It's called the Blizzard Lemonade. It's a 500ml can with 150 milligrams of caffeine, 5 calories and 0 sugar. It's cost me £1.99. Never had it before. So let's find out what this is all about. This is a naturally flavoured carbonated energy drink with sweeteners. I have done 2 other drinks in this series and both were average and not worth the money. I think I've saved the worst till last. Blizzard Lemonade. I know what you're going to think when I say this. It smells like lemonade. Meaning it smells of lemon. Fizzy lemon, not lemonade. When you think of lemonade and how bland and boring it is, this is a step up. It tastes like lemon, which is not the same as lemonade. That's right, I'm crouching down in a bush. A little bit better than I thought it was going to be. The 0 sugar as well, it's actually not too bad. As for this, it's basically slightly better than a bog standard boring bland lemonade, in as much as you can actually taste the lemon part of it, which makes it half decent. Well, yeah. A lemonade energy drink is kind of weird. I appreciate they've done something a little bit different, but when you can't come up with anything better than just lemonade, then you're struggling. And putting a £2 price tag on it as well is very desperate. I'm going to give it a 4. Would I recommend it? No, I wouldn't. Basically, it's the price and the lack of originality. It's just boring. Now, you can call yourself Blizzard Lemonade all you want, but at the end of the day, it's just lemonade, a fizzy lemonade in a can, and a lot of it, and it costs too much. Right, that's it. No need for me to keep waffling on. That's the end of the video. That's the end of the review. I hope you live well, and if you've got a dog, go and give him a pat on the bum. Goodbye.